History and Conservation Work of Sambor Prei Kuk Temple. 1. History of Sambor Prei Kuk Temple. The Sambor Prei Kuk Temple Resort was the former capital of a sampra of the Chenla Empire between the late 6th and early 7th centuries AD. This ancient Khmer capital was first recorded in the records of Chinese envoys during the Tang dynasty in the first half of the 7th century. At that time, the king ruled over the entire Khmer Empire, including southern Laos and present-day Thailand. Many ancient remnants in the capital of Isambora are located in the temple complex of Sambor Prei Kuk today, including brick temples, inscriptions, water-retaining structures, city walls, and other shrines. The buildings reflect the stage of development of the Khmer civilization at that time. Architecture and art show the influence of Indian culture while preserving the local culture, which confirms the process of Indian influence and brings the uniqueness of Khmer culture. The architecture and design of the sculptures on the octagonal temple body, which researchers call floating temples, and the decorative motifs on the floor with the image of the dragon are the only identities in Khmer art. The resort has been built continuously for about 500 years, highlighting the temples, statues, and works of art in the middle of the forest near Kampong Thom, about halfway from Phnom Penh to Siem Reap. According to the architectural features of these temples, Sambor Prei Kuk progressed during the reign of King Sambor I, the son of Chitrasen. During his reign, many religious structures were erected. These religious structures are masterpieces of pre-Angkorian Khmer art, including embossed carvings on the floor of the temple, octagonal bricks, limestone carvings, and medallion carvings. The scope of the dam is further evidence of the importance of the capital and the technological achievements of the architects and engineers of that time. However, some temples were built before his reign, such as during the reigns of Bavavarman I, Mahendravarman, and Bavavarman II, relatives of the royal family. Despite the relocation of the capital to Angkor in the 9th century, Sambor Prei Kuk remained an important center during the Angkorian period, with the addition of religious buildings and the restoration of old structures. The evidence found on the ornaments at the Lion Temple is similar to the period of Jayavarman II, the Sambo Temple group, which contains inscriptions from the reign of King Rajendravarman II in the 10th century, and inscriptions in the group of fences of Romia's inscriptions during the reign of King Suryavarman I. Not only through archaeological research, they also found many artifacts in the post-Angkorian period. Sambor Prei Kuk is an important source of historical information in Southeast Asia, and an important religious center during the first half of the first millennium AD. Inscriptions and archaeological remains provide insights related to this important period before the emergence of the Khmer Empire in the Angkorian period. Get computer job opportunities from Phone Learn online by free, from basic to advanced levels of science computer. Just by order a computer from $200 and up, please call now 092 345 959.